Apps for watching adult content on a Fire Stick are incredibly popular, and everyone's searching for the next big thing to get them reaching for the tissues, sock, or whatever else you prefer to use. The app we're taking a look at today works great on your Fire Stick. It's super addictive, but be warned, you might just get hooked. But if that's okay with you, let's go and check it out. This app puts more fun into streaming adult content on the big screen. This version has been specifically designed for Fire Stick and Fire TV users, so it works brilliantly with the Fire Stick remote. Now obviously I can't show you any content, but I can show you how to install it. So if you're ready to check it out, here's how. The app isn't available on the Amazon App Store, so you will have to sideload it. But don't worry, it is super easy to do. And I'll have you up and enjoying this app in minutes. If you haven't already got the Downloader app, let's quickly install it from the Amazon App Store. From the home screen, choose the Find option, then click on Search. Use your remote to start typing in the word Downloader, and you'll see it pop up underneath the on-screen keyboard. Click on Downloader, then click the orange Downloader app. On the next screen, click the button to get or download the app. When it's finished installing, click Open and then click Allow. Otherwise, you'll get errors when using Downloader and you won't be able to save files to your device. Now we need to allow Downloader to install apps. Go back to the Fire TV home screen. Select Settings. Choose My Fire TV. Select Developer Options. Now, if you don't see developer options, select About, highlight your Fire TV device name, press Select on your remote 7 times. You'll see a message saying no need, you are already a developer. Press back once and developer options will now appear. Now open developer options, select Install Unknown Apps, choose Downloader and switch it from off to on. Open Downloader again. In the URL box, enter 28907, then press Go. Once the page loads, press the menu button on your remote and press it again to enter full screen mode. To keep the site fast and protected from automated abuse, you'll need to generate a quick access token. Using your phone or tablet, scan the QR code on screen or type the web address shown. Tap Generate Token. If any ads or pop-ups appear, just close them like you normally would. Enter the token on your Fire TV and you'll unlock the download categories. Scroll down to a list of categories, select the correct category, then select the all-in-one app. On the next screen, scroll down until you see a blue download button that looks just like this. Then select it to start downloading and installing the app. Once installation is finished, select Done, then select Delete and confirm Delete again. This removes the installation file and frees up storage space on your Fire TV. The app is now installed and ready to use. You can find it under your apps. Open it and this app will keep you on the edge of your seat. Just try not to get caught with your pants down. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're using unofficial add-ons in 2026 without a VPN, your ISP can see exactly what you're accessing. I've linked the only VPN I personally trust for Fire TV in the description. If you want direct help with your Fire Stick, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies, check out my channel memberships. Members get into my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap join below. Give me a follow over on X and TikTok, and check out the unboxd.tech YouTube channel for more streaming content. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and helps to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers. And I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow.